Hello guys and welcome to the new video. Nail art has evolved over the years and has become more than just a cosmetic trend. It now holds multifaceted and significance in contemporary society. In an age where individuality is celebrated, nail art serves as a powerful form of self-expression. Our nails become personal canvases, allowing us to communicate our unique personalities, interests, and moods. Whether it's intricate floral designs, geometric patterns, or bold, vibrant colors, nail art enables us to tell our own stories and showcase our creativity. It's a way for individuals to assert their identity in a world that values diversity and self-expression. Nail art has firmly established it's in the realms of fashion and beauty. Nails are no longer mere afterthoughts. They are considered a crucial accessory that can elevate one's overall look. Cooperating and coordinating nail art with the outfit and makeup has become a fashion statement. Celebrities, fashion icons, and influencers often set nail trends that millions follow. The beauty industry now includes a wide range of nail care products and specialized salons, further emphasizing the importance of nail aesthetics. Nail art is a versatile and potent means of show your personality, and the concepts mentioned are just the beginning. Feel free to personalize and adapt these ideas to match your personal style and the specific outdoor event or collaboration you are involved in. To ensure the durability and vibrancy of your nail art, it's crucial to prepare your nails properly. Use high quality nail polishes and tools and finish with a top coat for added protection and shine. Whether you are attending outdoor parties, collaborations with friends, or simply expressing your creativity, your nail art can be a captivating conversation starter and a genuine reflection of your unique personality and style. So go ahead for it.